Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is crucial for many business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs in the Philippines: the cost of building a website. Whether you're launching a small blog or a large e-commerce store, understanding the cost factor can help you plan and budget effectively. So let's get started. Building a website involves several key elements, and the cost can vary significantly depending on your needs. We'll compare the cost of different types of websites and discuss the factors that can influence these costs. Let's break it down. First, let's look at the types of websites and their typical cost in the Philippines. A portfolio or a corporate website is designed to showcase your business. It typically includes pages like About Us, Services, and Contact. In the Philippines, the cost for such a website ranges from 50,000 to 80,000 Philippine peso. This includes basic design, content setup, and some custom features. On the other hand, if you're looking to build an e-commerce website, be prepared to invest more. E-commerce sites require advanced features like product catalogs, shopping carts, and payment integrations. The cost can range from 100,000 to 500,000 Philippine peso, reflecting the need for robuster functionality and security. Now, what factors affect these costs? Let's break it down further. Firstly, website complexity and features play a major role. A custom designed site is more expensive than one using pre-made templates. The number of pages and specific functionality like e-commerce capabilities can also drive up the price. Your development approach matters too. Hiring a web development agency is generally pricier than working with a freelance developer. Agencies provide comprehensive services, while freelancers might offer lower rate but with less support. Don't forget about maintenance and ongoing costs. You will need to pay for domain name registration, hosting, and possibly hiring someone for content updates and security maintenance. Let's dive into the cost breakdown for different website types. For portfolio or corporate websites, consider costs like design and development, content creation, and hosting fees. These websites are simpler, so the overall cost is lower. E-commerce websites involve more expenses. Besides design and development, you need to factor in e-commerce platforms, payment gateway setup, product catalog management, and higher hosting fees due to increased traffic and storage needs. Here are some tips for budgeting and controlling costs. Design your website goals and requirements upfront. This helps focus on essential features and avoid unnecessary expenses. Prioritize essential features. Fancy animations are nice, but focus on what truly adds value to your user. Consider scalability. Choose a platform that can grow with your business to avoid overhauls later. Explore cost-effective solutions. Website builders and freelance developers can offer affordable options without compromising too much on quality. Evaluate long-term maintenance costs. Budget for regular updates, security patches, and content management. Building a website in the Philippines can range widely in costs, from 10,000 to 500,000 Filipino pesos or more, depending on your needs. By understanding these factors and planning wisely, you can create a website that meets your goals without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights. If you have any question or need further advice, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.